Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the registered sign symbol on your Google Slide mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a registered symbol on your Google Slide mobile? I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to open any document here, and now you just need to click on the edit the slide that option. Then you just need to click double tap here, and you can use your own keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. So click on this number section and then click on the symbol section again. You will see a lot of symbols here. You can find the registered sign symbol on the bottom. You can just insert the registered sign symbol like this. So if you just need to any customization, click on this A symbol and you can just increase the size of the symbol, make bold, and you can just change the font size, which also change the registered sign symbol design. And why I just using Google keyboard? Because there is no option present in the Google Slide to insert symbol option. So try this option to insert the symbol Google register sign symbol on your Google Slide mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.